Hi, this is James from War Twins. We just made our new record, American Kids, with the incredible Sylvia Massey, a groundbreaking producer whose signature approach can be heard on albums by Prince, Red Hot Chili Peppers, Tool, and Johnny Cash. Sylvia specializes in out-of-the-box techniques, and when we finished the record, we knew we wanted to bring that elevated sound with us on the road. 2 months ago, we had the pleasure of receiving some great gear thanks to Performer Magazine, Cloud Microphones, and Trash Talk Audio, just in time for our US tour. Getting the sound right on stage was very important to us, and it was made easier with the help of Cloudlifter mic activators and Cloudlifter Zi. These devices allowed us to power our dynamic mics to optimize their gain while reducing feedback, ultimately providing more clarity for the vocals to shine on top of the mix. Paired up with the Trash Talk Audio telephone mics, the Cloudlifters brought out some of the unique vocal effects we used during recording. They're built strong and are super reliable for the studio or handling the rough conditions of touring the country. The Cloudlifter Zi was awesome in helping capture high-quality instrument loops we used in our electronics during the tour. We're super excited to incorporate them in the studio now that we're back home in Los Angeles. Big thank yous to Performer Magazine, Cloud Microphones, and Trash Talk Audio. If you'd like to hear more, check out our new title track single, American Kids, on Spotify, and follow War Twins on social media.